We are outside right now, and there's a big mountain behind us, and it's like that big. It's really tall, and also there's a bunch of like train tracks that I'm standing up because there's no train. And then also there's big bushes here. It's a bit sunny. And also there's a long lake right here. Let me show you.
Careful, yeah.
And then there's a cute puppy here. So, yeah, that's the view of where I am right now. Bye.